Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some basic signs and symbols you need to know as a beginner in math or if you want to refresh your memory. So the first sign I'm going to be showing you guys today is this sign. This sign is called the addition sign and it is used for adding numbers. For example, let's say we want to add two numbers 5 and 3. So adding two numbers 5 and 3, we basically write 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. So the addition sign is basically used for adding numbers. The second sign I'm going to be showing you guys today is this sign. This sign is called the subtraction sign and is basically used for subtracting numbers. For example, let's say we want to subtract 6 from 8. So we are going to write our operation as 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. So guys, for our next sign is this sign. But sometimes most people prefer to use this to represent this sign. This sign is called the division sign. And the division sign is used to divide numbers. For example, let's say we want to operate 20 divided by 10. We can write it like this: 20 divided by 10, or 20 divided by 10. The next sign I would like to show you guys today is this sign. This sign is called the multiplication sign. But sometimes some people like to donate the multiplication sign as this, just like an asterisk. The multiplication sign is used for multiplying numbers. For example, let's say we want to multiply 3 and 2. So we write it like this: 3 times 2. Or we can write it like this: 3, then we put the asterisk 2. The next sign we are going to learn about is this sign. This sign is called the equality sign. And we use this sign whenever we want to show that a value on the right hand side is equal to a value on the left hand side. For example, let's say on our left hand side we have the number 5, and on our right hand side we also have the number 5. We can say that 5 is equal to 5, right? Or let me give another example. Let's say on our left hand side we have 2 plus 1, and on our right hand side we have the number 3. We can say that 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 because 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next guys, we are going to be learning about this sign. This sign is called the not equal to sign. And we use this sign to show that a value is not equal to another value. For example, let's say on our left hand side we have the number 6, and on our right hand side we have the number 8. We can say that 6 is not equal to 8, as you know, because 8 is greater than 6, so 6 is not equal to 8. Or let's say we have 3 plus 4 on our left hand side and the number 9 on our right hand side. We can also see that 3 plus 4 is not equal to 9. Now guys, let's go over to learning some symbols. So the first symbol I'm going to be showing you guys today is this symbol. This symbol is called the approximate to. The approximate to symbol. It is used to show that a value is approximate to another value. For example, let's say on our left hand side we have the number 5, and on our right hand side we have the number 4.999. We can say that 5 is approximately equal to 4.999, because we know if we approximate 4.999 we will get 5. The next symbol we are going to be learning today is this symbol. This symbol is called the greater than symbol. For example, let's say we have the number 9 and the number 5. We can say that 9 is greater than 5, because as you can see, the number 9 is greater than 5. The next symbol we are going to be talking about is this symbol. This symbol is called the less than symbol. And this symbol is also used for comparison when we want to compare values. For example, let's say we want to compare the numbers 5 and 8. We can say that 5 is less than 8, because 5 is less than 8. So we use this symbol to denote less than. Next, let's talk about this symbol. This symbol is called the greater than or equals to symbol, and is also used for comparing values. Let me show you an example. For example, let's have 8 here and 5 here. We can see that 8 is greater than or equal to 5. Let's move over to our next symbol. For our next symbol, the next symbol I would like to be showing you guys is this symbol. This symbol is also called the less than or equal to symbol. Less than. Less than or equal to symbol. And it is also used for comparison. For example, let's say we have 3 and 5. We can say that 3 is less than or equal to 5. As we can see, there's great similarity between the greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, and less than or equal to signs, because the four of them are used for comparison. Next, I would like to show you guys this symbol. This symbol is called the percentage symbol. And this percentage symbol is used to show the percentage of a number. For example, let's say we have 10%. We are basically implying 10 over 100 of the number 10, which is equal to 0.1. So percentage means over 100. So whenever we have 10% or 20% or whatever percent, we divide it by 100. Now let me make space on our table so we can take more examples. The next symbol I'll be showing you guys today is this symbol. This symbol is called the equivalent to symbol, and it is used for showing that one value is equivalent to another value. For example, let's say we have 5 and we have 5.00000001. Now we can say that 5 is equivalent to 5.00000001. The next symbol I would like to be showing you guys is this symbol. This symbol is called the absolute value symbol. And this symbol is used for producing the absolute value of an integer. And by absolute value, I mean the distance of the integer from the origin. For example, let's say we are to find the absolute value of -2, or as some people call it, -2. The absolute value of -2 is equal to 2. Because if we look at the number line, -2 is 2 units from the origin. So the absolute value of a number or an integer is basically the number itself, the positive of the number. So whenever we are given a negative number to find the absolute value is the number without the negative sign. Now the next symbol I'm going to be showing you guys is this symbol. This symbol is called the factorial symbol. The factorial symbol is used whenever we want to get the factorial of a number. For example, let's say we want to find 3 factorial. Three factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. So guys, as you can see, whenever we want to find the factorial of a number, we basically keep on multiplying from that number till we get to 1. As you can see in our example here, 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. So we basically keep on multiplying from that number to 1. Now, the next symbol we are going to be learning today is this symbol. This symbol is called stigma, or some call it summation. As the name suggests, this symbol is used for summing a series. Let's say we want to get the sum of 1, 2, and 3. We can simply write it this way. We will simply put our sigma sign, and then we'll put our integer n, and then we'll give our stigma some range of values. So as we can see, our numbers range from 1 to 3. So we put 1 below and 3 on top. So the sum of 1, 2, and 3 is the same thing as stigma n 1, 3. Guys, please feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. If you want me to make more tutorials on some signs you feel that I'm missing out, please feel free to comment.